Hey folks, this is a very brief but important video. Again, I cannot stress enough, this is a very short video, but it is important for you to watch prior to booking your free consultation. And I want you to follow these very short steps. Okay, so number one, who, what, why replace your mortgage? And we are an educational company specializing in teaching folks the alternatives to real estate finance. We charge consulting fees to educate you on the hacks we have learned over the years. Now, up until this point, you probably only heard two words: consulting fees. I don't want you to worry. You're not going to be asked to pay a penny for our free consultation. And number two, one of our core topics of education is how, when, why to use a specific home equity line of credit. However, that's not all that we teach. Number three, we do this because we feel there's a problem in America today, a financial problem. And the best way to fix it is within the communities. And we can only change the banking system if the consumers demand a better solution. Now, we've got that solution. So prior to your call, I want you to watch all the videos on this page. This will give you a baseline education to maximize our time on the phone. And for extra credit, you got a capture here, a screen capture of what our YouTube channel looks like. Hop over to our YouTube channel. We have dozens and dozens of videos there that will better equip you, and you will ask better questions on our phone call. Now, how will this call go? Well, number one of the purposes of the call is to determine if our education makes the most sense for your situation. And I will go ahead and warn you, it does not make sense for everyone. So on that call, we're going to determine if our strategy makes the most sense for you. And number two, we're going to calculate your debt-free date based on your current financial situation. So we're not going to ask you to make more money. We're not going to ask you to spend less. We're going to take you as you are right now and determine what your debt-free date is. And number three, we're going to answer any questions that our videos did not answer clearly. And number four, at the end of the call, a decision will be made if you are a good fit for our services. And again, don't worry, if it is decided you're not a good fit at this time, we will give you homework and next action steps to work towards that goal. Now, how to be prepared for the call. Number one, you must have a working budget for your family. You must be cash flow positive, which means you have more money coming in than going out each month. Number two, you need to know what your net monthly income is. So this is after tax dollars. A lot of folks, this is easy for. They know exactly what's coming in. But number three is where they stumble a bit if they don't have a good working budget. They don't know what their monthly expenses and the balances for those expenses are. So when I say expenses, I mean everything: vacation, groceries, vacation again, if you take two vacations, utilities, things of that nature. The more detailed you are, the better. Now, number four, what is your credit score? We require a 680 plus credit score or higher. And number five, do you have 20% equity in your home, or do you have 20+% as a down payment if you are purchasing a new home? So let me give an example of what 20% equity is. Let's say you have a home value of 200,000. If you owe less than 160, then that means you've got 20% equity in your home. So that is one of our prerequisites to becoming a client, is ensuring that you do have equity in your home, or if you are buying a home, you have enough to put down. And number six, we want all decision makers on the call. No exceptions to this whatsoever. Now, a few other tips. Number one, please be on time. We take this seriously. After all, this is your financial future that's at stake, and we will call you promptly at the phone number you supply on the date and time that you requested. So please be on time. And number two, be distraction free. Please don't be driving or somewhere where you can't be in front of your computer or phone or any other device to access the internet. And most importantly, ask us anything. We want you to be comfortable with your decision moving forward. Now, what's the cost? So again, like I said, don't worry. The call is 100% free, and we guarantee you're going to walk away from that call having gained more value than prior to the call. All of our programs are very, very affordable, and your consultant is going to help you decide which program you are ready for at the end of the call. I can't stress this enough. Take action now. Powerful people take action immediately. So we care about people, and we care about you and your family's success, and we want you to succeed. But you have to walk through that door. We can't do that for you. You must take action. So I'll see you on the call. And most importantly, take care and God bless.